Hopes are growing that a vaccine for COVID will be ready soon. The University of Oxford has announced a vaccine candidate that seems able to safely induce a strong immune response.
Further study is needed to see how long that immune response lasts, researchers say. In August, the experimental vaccine will enter a phase 3 trial in the U.S.
The coronavirus is still on a rampage across the globe, but there's good news. A vaccine could be ready soon.
We have found that in over 1,000 people, the safety profile looks rather good and reassuring. And importantly, we are seeing good immune responses in almost everybody.
University of Oxford launched phase 1-2 trials on 1,077 people in April. Half were given the experimental vaccine, and the other half was given a placebo. 10 of the subjects received double doses of the experimental vaccine. The results published in the scientific journal The Lancet indicate that the experimental vaccine prompts a strong immune response.
So in addition to neutralizing antibodies, which other vaccines, we also see a very strong T-cell response.
Researchers found that the subjects had an immune response for at least 2 months. More tests are needed to understand how long protection can last.
But we now need to do the rigorous studies to show that the vaccine is protective against the virus in humans.
By the end of the year, researchers hope to have confirmed that the vaccine can prevent COVID infection. Phase 2 trials are ongoing in the UK, Brazil and South Africa. A phase 3 trial is expected to start in the US this year.
The next few weeks, we hope, will be the United States. So between those three countries, over about 40,000 more people will be vaccinated. So by the end of the year, we'll have had about 50,000 subjects in clinical trials, and with a fair wind, should have an efficacy result, hopefully some months before that.
This is promising news, and it takes us one step closer to finding a vaccine that could potentially save lives all around the world.
This work is being done in collaboration with UK pharmaceutical firm AstraZeneca. The company has committed to supplying more than 2 billion doses of the vaccine to the UK, US, Europe and India should future trials prove successful.
So we have 3, which is available in peer-reviewed journals, plus we have one other, the BioNTech Pfizer product, which the data is available on pre-publications.
The World Health Organization says there are 3 vaccine candidates that show promise, including the Oxford vaccine. The WHO says 24 candidates have reached clinical trials, offering a ray of hope in the pandemic.